Have you ever felt anxious about investing your money? It's a question that resonates with many of us. The fear and anxiety linked with investing can be a formidable barrier that impedes us from achieving financial success. This fear, though, isn't baseless. It stems from real concerns, real doubts. We fear the unknown, we fear loss, we fear making a mistake. And when it's our hard-earned money on the line, these fears can seem insurmountable. But what if I told you that these fears, although valid, can be managed and even overcome? That the seemingly intimidating world of investing can be navigated with knowledge, strategy, and a bit of courage. Because the truth is, the fear of investing is often the fear of the unknown. And the unknown, once understood, isn't as scary as it seems. It's clear that fear can hold us back. But let's delve into why investing seems so intimidating. So why do so many of us fear investing? This question probably resonates with many of you. Let's delve into the common reasons behind this apprehension. First off, the fear of losing money. It's a primal instinct. We want to protect what we have. And the idea of potentially losing our hard-earned cash can be terrifying. Secondly, a lack of knowledge. The world of investing can seem like an alien landscape, crowded with confusing jargon and complex concepts. It's easy to feel overwhelmed. Lastly, the uncertainty about the market. The market's volatility can cause anxiety. It's like a roller coaster ride with exhilarating highs and stomach-churning lows. But here's the thing. These fears often stem from misconceptions or a lack of understanding. Investing isn't a game of chance. It's a strategic move. Understanding our fears is the first step to overcoming them. So, how did I manage to overcome my fear of investing? Overcoming my fear of investing wasn't an overnight process. It took time, patience, and a dedication to learning. I started with research, familiarizing myself with terms, strategies, and the history of the market. I read books, watched videos, and listened to experts in the field. I sought advice from those who had walked this path before me, gleaning from their wisdom and experiences. But the most significant step I took was starting with small investments. It was like dipping my toes into the ocean of investing, testing the waters before diving in. This allowed me to understand the process, learn from my mistakes, and gain confidence. There was a pivotal moment when I saw my small investments grow. It was a eureka moment, a realization that investing wasn't just about the potential of losing money, but also about the potential for growth and building wealth. By taking these steps, I was able to overcome my fear and start investing. But what can you do? Now, I want to encourage you to do the same. Overcoming the fear of investing is not just a personal victory, it's a gateway to financial growth and stability. But remember, it's not a solo journey. We can all learn from each other's experiences, triumphs, and even missteps. So, I invite you to share your own stories of overcoming investment fears right here in the comment section below. Let's create a community of brave investors where we can inspire and motivate each other. I also urge you to explore the wealth of financial tips and advice available on this channel. With every video, we delve deeper into the realm of investing, unraveling its secrets and simplifying its complexities. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who might be dealing with the same fears. Remember, we're all in this together.